In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto redirect to another URL page in Google Sites. We're going to set up a simple redirect inside Google Sites using a link page. This is really useful if you've moved content to a new address, or if you just want visitors to land on a different page or an external site when they click a specific item in your site's navigation. First, open your browser and go to Google Sites. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, the one that owns or can edit the site you want to work with. When you arrive on the Google Sites homepage, you'll see a list of your existing sites. Next, click on the site you want to work on. This will open the site editor, not the public view. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right project by checking the site's name and overall layout in the editor. Once your site is open in the editor, look to the right-hand side of the screen for the panel that contains options like Insert, Pages, and Themes. Click on the tab labeled Pages. This is where you manage your site's structure and navigation. In the Pages panel, you'll see a list of existing pages. At the top or near the page list, you'll notice an icon that looks like a small link, often used to add a new link instead of a standard page. Click on this new link icon. This creates a link page, which behaves like a normal navigation item, but actually points to another URL. A small window will appear asking for the link URL. Type in the full web address of the page you want visitors to be redirected to. This can be another page on your Google site, a different site you own, or any valid external URL. Double check for typos here, including the HTTPS part, to make sure the link works correctly. Below or above the URL field, you'll see a place to type the name of the link. This is the label that will appear in your site's menu. Choose something clear and descriptive, like New Homepage or External Resources, so visitors know what to expect when they click it. When you're happy with the URL and the link name, click on Done. Your new link will now appear in the Pages list and in your site's navigation. Publish or republish your site, then visit it as a visitor would, and click that new navigation item to confirm it redirects to the correct page.